Practical tips to organise your paperwork. I'm Dr. Catherine Macy, owner of Organise to Excel. We've been helping people overcome clutter and get more organised for almost 15 years, and I'm here today to help you with your paperwork. Maintenance. Now that you've got your filing system set up and your action items in their proper places, it's time to maintain your system. Some tips on maintaining your filing system. If you have temporary files, file them by month and year, which allows for quick archiving. Purge your files regularly. I recommend at least annually. File at least weekly, more often if you are a paper-intensive home. Document retention. How do you know what to hang on to and what to shred? Different documents have different expiration dates. Permanent. These things should be kept forever, like your Social Security card. Lifetime. Keep this paperwork for the lifetime of the item. Ownership documents like car titles and deeds belong in this category. Temporary. Keep this paperwork according to their document retention guidelines, like supporting tax documents, medical records and receipts. Consult the IRS, DMV, your insurance company, your CPA and lawyers for the most accurate information on document retention. You can use our guide as a starting point, but please consult your professionals to confirm the specifics for your situation. Using these strategies will help you keep your paperwork to a minimum, so you can find what you need when you need it. Organise to Excel, practical solutions for everyday issues. Like our Facebook page, follow us on Instagram and visit our website www.organisetoexcel.com. Get more updates, like our Facebook page, follow us on Instagram and visit our website www.organisetoexcel.com.